Well, we find ourselves in the lab of the mad scientist. Erin, it looks like it's going to be a big one today.
Well, today is a big one because you've decided to use the entire length of the set today for today's experiment. And what we're going to be testing is whether or not it's better to have 2 ears than have 1 ear. So all we needed to do was find someone who would be willing to lend us their ear. And we decided that Chanel would be the best candidate because she's the youngest. And then what we decided to do is we marked off meter spacings using some of our Perspex blocks. So that one right over there is number 1. This one right over here by me is number 2, and that one over there is number 3. So Chanel, the one closest to you is 1, the one furthest away from you is 3. You've got that. Okay. Now what Mac and I are going to do is we are going to keep moving around between these boxes to see if Chanel can accurately guess where we are. So Mac, without further ado, let's pick a box and let's get going.
Should I cover my ear, Erin?
Chanel, you may block your ear now.
Okay.
Most importantly, block the ear. Chanel.
2,
Chanel.
3,
Chanel.
2,
Chanel.
2,
Chanel.
3.
So clearly there's a bit of confusion with Chanel. So Chanel, take out your ear. I've got both ears clean and clear now?
Yep.
Okay, Mac, let's do this again.
Chanel.
1,
Chanel.
3,
Chanel.
2,
Chanel.
1,
Chanel.
3.
Okay, nicely done, Chanel. You can take your blindfold off.
How did I do?
You did much better the second time round. You actually got them all right.
I did.
So what happened with Chanel the first time around when she blocked off one of her ears was she was only getting half the signals in that her brain actually needs to accurately gauge how far away she is from a certain object. Now the reason being that your ears have actually been designed to work in conjunction with one another, taking in sound bouncing off of objects from both sides of your head instead of just one side of your head. So once you block off one of your ears, you find it very difficult to hear indeed. And we can actually attest to that, can't we, Mac, having to wear these earpieces all the time?
With someone speaking inside your head.
It does get a bit confusing after a while.